Top 10 most beautiful insects in the world. It's true that most people do not put the words beautiful and insect together unless they're thinking of butterflies. But there are beautiful insects out there that are not butterflies. As with butterflies, these beautiful bugs have not evolved their colorful looks for humans to admire, but to camouflage themselves, to warn predators that they taste bad, or to attract mates. So in this video, we will discuss about the top 10 most beautiful insects in the world. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Orchid bee. Orchid bees are one of the most colorful insects in the world. There are 200 different species of orchid bees in the world. They live in tropical and subtropical regions of South and Central America. This beautiful insect group can be seen in different colors, including metallic blue, green, purple, gold, and bronze colors. There's a strong reason behind why orchid bees are named so. They play a significant role in pollinating more than 700 species of orchids in the tropical region. Despite the small size, orchid bees are active flyers and go for long distances, up to 30 miles, in search of food. Besides the brilliant colors, a long tongue is another highlighting feature of orchid bees. Their tongue can measure up to 1.6 inches in length. It aids in drinking nectar from deep flowers. Number 9. Glass-winged butterfly. Glass-winged butterflies are named after their beautiful transparent wings. It's a rare feature among the family of butterflies. As you can imagine, rather than reflecting light, the wings of these butterflies let the light pass through. This exotic butterfly lives in gardens and warm or humid forests of Central America. The wingspan of glass-winged butterflies can reach 5.5 to 6 centimeters. The transparent wings make these butterflies very difficult to spot. That's exactly how they hide away from predators like birds. The borders of their wings have a dark brown color. That's what helps us to see this incredibly beautiful insect. Number 8. PALAWAN birdwing butterfly. Endemic to the Philippines, it is a large, vividly colored butterfly species. The wings of males are mainly black. Each forewing has 7 tooth-shaped electric green markings, while there's a relatively large electric green patch on the hindwings. The thorax is black with red hair. The wings of females are browner with prominent white flashes at the tips of the forewings and at the base of the hindwings. It is one of only 2 species in its genes, and the other being the more widespread Raja Brooks birdwing, where the male has larger green markings on the hindwings. Unfortunately, its appealing appearance has caused this butterfly to be endangered, as overcollection is a major threat to it. Number 7. Atlas moth. Atlas moth is the largest species of moth in the world. A fully grown atlas moth has a wingspan of up to 12 inches and a surface area of 62 square inches. This large moth is also one of the most beautiful moths in the world. They have very attractive rusty brown fore and hind wings with purple, red, yellow, and black outlines. Interestingly, the curved wingtips of atlas moths, with impressive markings and patterns, resemble snakeheads. They use it to defend the potential predators. Despite the largest species of moth in the world, atlas moths don't eat after hatching because these moths don't have a mouth. Number 6. Panda ant. There are some really cute insects out there, and one genus of especially cute insects is the genus Espinolia, called the panda ants. Panda ants are actually not ants at all, but instead are wasps of the family Maltidae, commonly called the velvet ants. The panda ant was first described to science in 1938 and is found in dry coastal regions like Chile. Like many wasp species, and unlike true ants, panda ants do not live in colonies and also do not have queens and drones and workers. Panda ants get their name from the dramatic black and white coloration of the females. However, don't get too comfortable around a panda ant because they get their other common name of cow killer ants from the incredibly painful sting they deliver with their unusually long and maneuverable stinger. Only females can sting since the stinger in these wasps is a modification of the ovipositor. Number 5. CECROPIA moth caterpillar. It's doubtful to find any other insect as colorful and beautiful as the Cecropia moth caterpillar. With a wingspan of up to 6 inches, Cecropia moth is the largest moth of North America. Even though it is pretty, it is not as impressive as a caterpillar. These larvae are mostly found on maple trees. Upon hatching, Cecropia moth caterpillars have a black color. During the growth stage, you can see small projections on their body with tiny black hairs. These small projections on their body have attractive colors, including green, blue, yellow, and orange. A fully grown Cecropia moth caterpillar can reach up to 4.5 inches in size. Number 4. Christmas beetle. This holiday season, as sure as the shopping malls become packed with crazed shoppers, and as sure as young children wake way too early Christmas morning, so too will the Christmas beetle appear, on cue, in large numbers across most of Australia. The reason these beetles are so common around the Christmas holiday is because of their seasonal life cycle. The beetles appear from December to January, mate, and then lay their eggs in the soil. The larvae take almost a full calendar year to develop before they emerge once again late in the year. This wave of Christmas beetle emergence can vary depending on the climate and on the species of beetle. Christmas beetles are known for their iridescent color, which can appear to change depending on the angle of view. Aside from being an iridescent green, they can also be dark yellow, rose, brown, and dark green. Christmas beetle measures about 1 inch long on average, or approximately 20 to 30 millimeters. Number 3. Peacock spiders. The greatest attribute of jumping spiders is their advanced eyes. Spiders have 8, occasionally 6 eyes, but they're generally quite simple organs, specks of black or silver that can detect light and dark, shadow and movement, and some fairly rudimentary blurry images, even at low light levels. The 2 central front eyes of the jumping spider are much more advanced, large, fronted by spherical lenses with an internal focusing mechanism and complex 4-layered retina. All this means that a jumping spider can see fine detail, in color, and at different distances. Clear vision evolved as a predatory weapon. The jumping spider can see its prey from meters away, creep up, and then pounce from a distance of over 20 times its body length to deliver an instant fatal bite. Number 2. Orchid mantis. The astonishing orchid mantis is one of a group of mantids that mimic flowers. In this case, it mimics the sugar pink Phalaenopsis orchids found in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. It is nearly impossible to see this colorful insect when it rests among the petals of this orchid. 4 of its 6 legs look like the orchid's petals, which leaves the other 2 to grab prey, which range from butterflies to moths to flies, bees, and beetles. The rest of the body is the pale green of the orchid's stems, though the mantis is able to change color. These beautiful insects will also eat each other. As with many other mantids, the female is much bigger than the male. Number 1. Spotted tortoise shell beetle. They're golden brown beetles measuring 6 to 8 millimeters with black spots on their elytra. They have a rounded body and a similar size to the ladybird. Their body is domed with somewhat flatter areas along the edges. They look somewhat like tiny tortoises with a translucent carapace. When disturbed, they can press themselves close to the leaf surface with all the appendages safely protected underneath, somewhat in a manner a tortoise can withdraw into its shell. The larvae display the habit of carrying their fecal material and cast skins, forming a shield or umbrella that deters predation. These insects are widely distributed in North America. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.